Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Finally, I have finished this beautiful pastel mohair rainbow cardigan that I have knit for a 4 extra large. I had a really hard time fitting it on the mannequin because the mannequin is a medium size. So I'm going to wear it and post pictures and to make a video, I guess, a small video, and I will post that on my Instagram page so you guys can get the idea how to knit top down plus size, how it looks like on me, because I'm between 2 extra large to 3 extra large. I just wanted to post this video to show you guys of my second finished item for December 2021. I'm going to be mailing this, dropping it to the post office Monday. Tomorrow is Monday, so I will pack it. And I did wet block it, but you just have to be careful with the iron because this is being mohair. Kind of gets weird, but it is so soft. Just want to let you guys know it is like, oh my goodness, I can't believe it already. It's and I weighed this. It's 655 gram, just over a pound of yarn that I have used. When you look at it, it's 30 inches down. That's what the customer requested, with no buttons. I verified with that, so she didn't reply with the buttons, but you can sew on a zipper if you want, or a clip. Yeah, I am really happy with the end result, and as you can see, I have matched the sleeves to the body to give this beautiful look. But if I knit it again, I would play around with the colorways on the body because it's too long. If you look at it, the variegated yarn that I have knitted up, I started with the laylock and I went down, followed, continue knitting with the cone. But again, if I would start a new one, I would play around with it because there's too much yellow in between, and I don't like that. Some people like yellow, but I just followed the nature of the yarn and knit it up. But I did play around with the sleeve to match it up, and I think it turned out perfect. So I would love to hear from you. This is this is going to be a short video just to show you the cardigan, and I am going to shoot a video outside me wearing it. You know what? Let's do it together. Yeah, because I don't want this video to be a short video. So I'm going to go outside. I already put my long pants on. And I got my boot ready. So let's go outside and shoot this outdoor videos with you guys. Okay, I put it on. Like this video. If you like it, give me the thumbs up. Unfortunately, I can't see myself, but I hope you guys got the idea. Really soft, really soft. Okay, take care everybody. I'll see you on my next video.